how to upload YouTube Shorts fast and efficiently. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Essetino here from essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so let me share with you our system on how we are able to upload YouTube Shorts very fast, very efficiently. This is our YouTube channel right now. This is me right here holding the GoPro. And let's head over to our YouTube dashboard. Alright, so first thing is you need your YouTube Shorts ready to go. Don't create them one by one and upload them one by one. We use what's called batch processing, meaning that we do things in batches. So these 5 shorts that you see here, they are actually derived from an interview that we did, and we're repurposing that interview for content, for extra content. And we use a tool called Opus Clip to extract these clips. I highly recommend Opus Clip. If you're interested in that, check out the link down in the description below. But basically, Opus is an AI tool that allows us to create these clips, YouTube short clips, really fast and easily using AI. So I've got these 5 clips here, and I can probably get this done in less than 10 minutes. If I wasn't recording this video, probably faster. So that's the first thing, is have your content ready to go, have the YouTube Shorts, vertical format, less than 1 minute long, and already have the clips titled and ready to go. Next, you're going to have your YouTube dashboard tab open, and you're going to have the YouTube Shorts content tab open. So you're going to go to content, and then you're going to go to Shorts. Now, the reason why you want this tab open as well is because you want to keep track of what dates you've already scheduled them as. You don't want to try and remember it, because if you do that, you might mess up and you might schedule some on the same day, or it's not spaced out properly. It's just easier to keep track and one less thing to keep track of in your head. Alright, so let's upload the first one here. Gonna click the upload button. So I'm gonna upload this one right here. So you can see that my title's already ready to go, so I don't need to think about that. It's already classified it as a short. Make sure that it does say shorts in here. Otherwise, if it's over a minute or it's not vertical, then it's not going to consider it a short, and it's just going to do a regular video. So I don't add any description in our shorts because they don't allow links. I don't add them to any playlist because they all go into the shorts playlist. I usually click no on this. This is like an AI question. I notice a lot of social media platforms are asking if this is real or if this is AI, so I just put no, it's real. I don't put any tags, and I quickly change this to how to. Then I click next, and then from here it's asking about ad suitability. So I'm not saying anything wrong in here. I'm going to click none of the above, submit rating, click next, and then I'm going to add a related video because I want to add the interview where this clip came from. Here it is right here. Click next again. And then, do you want this to be published now or do you want to schedule it? I actually want to publish the first one public right now because I haven't posted a short in a little bit. So I'm going to click publish, and this is going to publish right now. And then I'm going to click close and then head back to the other tab. Click refresh. It's in the shorts tab. And then there we go. It's just being published right now. And so I leave this tab and then I head back to the dashboard tab, and then I go here to again upload videos, and then I go and do the next one. So you see that first one just took a few minutes. Like if you have everything all ready to go, like your shorts ready to go, I will often, sit here and I'll do like 30 all at once, and I'll schedule them out for the next, couple months. I schedule them out on days where we don't release content on our channel, and I kind of space them out. I don't do more than one a day. When I have like 30 of them, I could probably do this whole thing in about an hour or so. You do want to be focused, and you don't want to be looking at your phone or anything or getting distracted. You want to be in the zone, and you're just going from this tab to that tab, and you're not looking at anything else, and you just keep going until you have a month to 2 months worth of shorts scheduled. And that's batch processing. I create the shorts in batch using Opus Clip, and then I schedule and upload them in batch. and then I have 1 to 2 months worth of content scheduled. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was helpful, and if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over $10,000 a month by creating simple tutorials like this, head down to the description below as we have a free training for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.